Saraswati IAS stands as premier institution for political science, paving the path to success for numerous students under the guidance of Dr. Rajesh Mishra. Saraswati IAS has diligently delved into the realms of political science for over 22 years. Renowned for its unparalleled approach, this institute excels in demystifying political science, making it an approachable, high-scoring and captivating subject for its students. The institute hallmark lies in its meticulous examination-centric approach ensures comprehensive topic exploration, classroom discussion focus on previous and potential exam questions, owning problem-solving skills, rigorous practice in writing model answers, integration of current affairs into answer writing for higher marks. Simple, updated and extensive study material elevate textbook burdens. Weekly test and test series akin to UPSC exams followed by discussion. To understand the distinctive qualities that distinguish Dr. Rajesh Mishra from others, it is recommended to watch his classroom videos showcasing his expertise and unique approach. This will prove instrumental in aiding your discussion-making process. Links to these insightful videos are provided in the description below. Here are a few exceptional success stories of our students who not only secured top ranks but also achieved the highest marks in civil service examination. For further information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Call us 011-4053-5897 or 0989915645 or 7820042822 or 9667889491. You can also visit our website www.saraswatiias.com.